Hi guys, Oscar here. Today I'm going to be talking about the DJI Osmo Action. This this camera right here, it's an amazing action camera by DJI, and you still can get it for $199 on the DJI website. And I believe it is an amazing buy. I will leave the link just below. But today I'm going to be talking about what else can we do to this camera to make it even better. So this camera has manual settings, and if we turn on the camera and I have my settings here, which you can see it's 4K 24 frames per second, and I have them in the manual setting at 1/50, ISO 100. But if you take a look at the picture, look how overblown it looks. It looks horrible. So how can we fix this issue? So the way I'm going to be able to fix this issue is by adding ND filters. What are the ND filters? ND filters are sunglasses for the camera. I just happened to get some ND filters online. I got this set of ND filters, and you can see it right here. You can see this ND filters. I believe I paid about $30 for them. So let's go ahead and open them up. Let's use my key to open it up. And currently on my M50, I also have an ND filter because it is pretty bright. The sun is right on my face, and we need to make the picture look better, so that's why we have the ND filters. So in the box, what we get is some cleaning cloth. You can see right here some cleaning cloth. We have the ND filters. There is a total of 3 ND filters, and the ND filters that I have is the ND4, ND16, and the 8. Today is a pretty bright day, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the ND16, which is the highest that I have. Ideally, I should go with ND32. I actually like the ND32 on a bright day like today, but sadly, I don't have that filter with me. So let's go ahead and turn off the camera. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove this lens right here on the front. So let's go ahead and remove it very slowly. I'm going to place it on the side. I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to add the ND16. So let's go ahead and add the ND16. They fit just perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and compare how it looks with the filter. And this is how it looks with the ND filter. It's not overblown. It looks way, way, way better. It actually looks much better with the ND filter. So it looks pretty good. I wish I had the ND32. I'm sure it would look way better. And this is how it looks with the sun behind us. Looks very nice. So, in conclusion, ND filters are like sunglasses for the camera, which will help us to get that 180-degree rule. So, I like to shoot at 4K, 24 frames per second, and I like to have my shutter speed at double the frame rate. In this case, the closest that I can get to it is 1/50, and the ISO I like to keep it at 100. That's my liking. Uh, some people like 30 frames per second, but my preferred method is 24 frames per second. So today is a pretty bright day, and I'm using the highest ND filter that I have, which is the ND16. You guys were able to see the difference with ND filters, no ND filter, and I'm sure you guys were able to tell the difference. I will go ahead and leave the link below for the ND filters. In addition, I will leave the link below for the Osmo Action, which is still $199 at the DJI website. This is an amazing, amazing deal, given the fact that this camera was $349 regular price, $369, and you still get updates, firmware updates. In fact, I just got an update today. So when I was preparing to record, I had an update. It's pretty easily to do with the app and your phone, so it's highly recommended. If you guys have any further questions, please put the questions just below. I'll be more than happy to answer to your questions. If you have any suggestions, I'll take them as well. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing more videos now that the holidays are here and I have a little bit more time on my hands. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.